Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and freeing resources. This is critical because sodium interacts with rendering and memory. First, open Pojavlauncher and note the Minecraft build and JVM flags. Once done, close background apps and clear cache to free at least 2 GB of RAM. Next, enable GLES 3 or proper OpenGL support in system settings or via a driver package to ensure the GPU can handle sodium's shaders and buffers without immediate crashes. You now align sodium with the runtime. Install the sodium jar that matches your Minecraft version to avoid API mismatches. Mismatched builds often throw native errors. Then edit JVM arguments in Pojavlauncher. Set XMX to 1 or 2 GB depending on available RAM and add Roman 20. Plus use G1GC for better garbage collection. Make sure to disable Optifine or other rendering mods temporarily because they conflict with sodium's renderer. Once stable, reintroduce mods one at a time to find issues. You finish by testing under conservative settings to reproduce stability. Launch the game with lower render distance, particles disabled, and VBOs enabled to reduce load. If it runs, gradually restore settings to find the breaking option. If a crash occurs, grab the launcher logs and the Java stack trace immediately and note the exact error line. This pinpoints native library or mod conflicts. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a different sodium build or rollback to a previous working config. That often resolves elusive crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.